again, before that, I just like to add one important factor sa sinabi nila. If done properly, if we develop it properly, this can lead to skills. And skills are a very important factor para sa entrepreneurship at employment ng mga OSY. Kasi remember, kaya sila OSY is because one is because of poverty. Dahil naghahanap sila ng pagkakita ng trabaho. So, naniniwala kami na this can be a very good tool para matulungan sila. That's right. So anyway, yung sabi ko kanina kasi, paano kami nagkasama? Parang sa isang story, di ba? Merong tulay.
Yeah.
Yung tulay namin ay ang aming common friend na si Atty. Lucis.
Attorney, broker. Siya ang broker namin. No, they have questions. She was the one who connected to her. She's been, tama bang word, mentoring?
Yes.
She's been mentoring din long.
Separately.
And ako, lately ako. Separately, yes.
Well, primarily, I believe that we may have the substance.